So this is what we going for this morning. These right here. Y'all serious? Russ, are they really serious, bro?
What? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Oh well, let's roll the intro. YouTube, what's going on with y'all kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GoatWeezy. Back on your TV screen with a pocket full of green. Going back with y'all on a Cadillac riding on two flats, you feel me? Hey man, this morning we got the Concord Bred 11 lows and me. Not really impressed, man. This is a sneaker, another sneaker we didn't need. So Jordan Brand just pretty much wasting our time. But anyway, if you're new over here, make sure you smash that subscribe button for your boy. We almost at 2K, man, so I need y'all to smash that subscribe button for real, man, because the goal is 3K. But hey, man, hit that thing, like this thing. Let's get this thing up to at least about 15 likes. Hey, 15 to 20 likes, and share this thing so the channel can grow. And to all my day ones, hey man, I appreciate y'all for still rocking with me this long. But I ain't gonna bore y'all. Let's go ahead and blast off and pick these shoes up. Let's burn the road up. All right, here to pick up my Hibbits win, the Hood Hibbits. Everybody in the fold, they know what time it is. Freedom Drive. Let's get these things. My boy JC hit me up about these. JC, they got them at the Hibbits, so if you need them, I got you. We ain't got them at my store yet. All right, so y'all see that thing, man? I got a size 13 for my boy Matt. He wanted a pair, so I hit on the app for him, the Hibbits app, size 13. Man, now I gotta go to another mall, pick up another pair. I'm late to work, so but better late than never. But let's go pick these things up, man. At Carolina Place Mall, got to pick up at Finish Line, get these things, and y'all better be lucky I rock with y'all, man. But it's all good. Why they make you wait in line if you won the raffle? Hey, I did hit a triple crown, but hey, a little double up 2 times, you feel me? But let's go ahead and get into the review. All right, so today we had a sneaker that I did not like at all. I feel like these were not needed, like I said earlier. So Jordan Brand is just watering us down, at least tempting us until the Gym Red 14s and the Gary Payton PE 12s come out. Those two are top 2 on my radar right now. Those are the only 2 sneakers that I officially want right now as far as Jordan Brand. But until that day comes, I don't know when the 14s are supposed to be dropping. They keep changing the dates on this, man. But I know the 14s and the Gary Payton PE 12s, those are on my radar. I need those ASAP. But let's go ahead and get into this one, man. Now, I know y'all seen a couple early videos, and y'all know I don't do the early shoes like that often because I'm not paying nobody X amount of dollars just to have a sneaker early to review. Kudos to you guys who do that, but you know, y'all see my shirt. Matter of fact, let me take my shirt off, bump that. All right, y'all, so I'm back. All right, so let's go ahead and review these sneakers. To me, these sneakers look like, I don't know, man, I can't get jiggy with it, y'all. This just is not for me, like. And even though I just bought those graffiti LeBrons, be on the lookout for that review, I just feel like, ugh, like these were not it. And I know them unemployment checks coming around. This is basically it. I feel Jordan Brand must have predicted the future. Like tax time, unemployment check, stimulus check. This is a stimulus check sneaker, and I cannot believe this sneaker really sold out. Like, bro, now in kids, I can see it selling out in kids because I've been telling y'all for the longest, I like 11 lows on females. I feel like females can kill some Jordan 11 lows. And there are only two 11 low colorways I like, and that's the cherry and the green snakeskin. But other than that, oh, and the UNC, so 3. But other than that, the 11 lows are not for me. Y'all see this big long machete, this size 12? Like, imagine me wearing this sneaker. Like, I'm like 6'2", and nah, bro, I can't do this. But nah, I ain't gonna bore y'all, so we gonna go ahead and hop into it. Now, the 11 low for this one is much different than the most recent one we got. The last 11 low that I can remember, the snakeskin joints, they had a mesh upper, the navy snakeskin, and I think it was a pink and white one. Can't really remember because those were two sneakers I did not have. I didn't even try to go after those because, like I said, it's only 3 colorways in the 11 lows that I like. But dog, they bought a Concord and a Bred together. We have a Concord Bred 11 low. Like, if I wasn't a sneakerhead, or if I didn't know a lot about sneakers, I could see like something like this coming out to the general public, or maybe even a starter in your collection. But this sneaker right here, guys, this ain't it. This definitely ain't it. But if you like it, I love it, man. Like my boy Chaotic say, buy what you like, dog. Just buy what you like. Me personally, it's not for me. I'm not keeping anything in my collection I don't like. Everything in my collection, I like, I love. If I decide to sell it, I may sell it. I'd rather have a mesh upper on my 11s, but it's basically a Concord and a Bred sandwich. Hold on, y'all. Let me show y'all. Got a Concord. It's like these two sneakers right here had a baby, or they merged. They fused together like Vegeta and Goku. Shout out to all my DBZ fans out there. But that's all it is. Like, we just got the Bred sole. Of course, we got the black patent leather with the white midsole, which is cool. But then we got that Jordan Jumpman. I don't know if y'all can see that. We got that Jordan Jumpman. Nah, I mean, I can't get jiggy with it, but I feel like, you know, if you like it, I love it, man. For real. But it's basically a fusion of these two sneakers. The Bred 11 and the Concord. That's all we got, man. And like I said, I'm surprised they sold out. I was not expecting this sneaker to sold out. And it wasn't limited. We had a lot of pairs in our store, so I don't know. Is it just that many people just buying them like that? Now, the sneakers that I bought today, those were for sale, so those people have paid me. Your boy is slightly becoming a reseller, you feel me? But nah, man, like I said, y'all know I love to help people out. I didn't even look at the numbers for these. I don't think I taxed anybody for them, but we not putting a gun to your head, making you buy these, so, hey, man. It is what it is, coming from me anyway. I'm just going to say that. I'm just going to put that out there, you feel me? But nah, man, let me know in the comment section below, did you cop these or not? I definitely feel like it's a great starter shoe for someone who does not have any 11s in their collection, or someone who's definitely starting their collection. You know, good little start off sneaker for somebody new, you know, somebody who's just now getting into the game, somebody who don't have 11 lows. But me personally, like I said, this was definitely not on my radar at all. I'm waiting on the 14s. I'm waiting on the 12s. Orange duck camo. That's probably it for a little bit. We got that Bred sole. Hey. What can I say? We got a Bred sole on that thing, y'all. So we got our Bred sole. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and do this on foot, man. Hey. come back around, maybe I might decide to get them, but I don't know. I'm trying to save all my money to pick up all the grails that I wanted. So that's what I'm doing with my stew. That's what we call it where I'm from. We call it cash stew. S-T-E-W, stew. But anyway, like I said, y'all let me know in the comment section below. Nope. I hope y'all enjoyed this, man. We got these Concord Bred 11 low things. The Concord and the Bred 11 had a baby, y'all. This is a little infant version of this thing, man. You feel me? But anyway, I appreciate y'all for coming through and rocking out with your boy. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Y'all know I love vlogging for y'all, but I still kind of wish everything was closed due to the COVID-19 situation or whatever you call it. Hopefully they don't block this video. But anyway, y'all know how I get out of here, baby, man. I love y'all. I hope everybody stays safe through this whole entire pandemic. Y'all, please stay safe, man, for real. Like, it's real. I just had a family member that caught it, and a close family member, like my first cousin. So y'all just make sure y'all be safe, man. But anyway, y'all know how I get out of here, baby. Love, peace. And with all this beef, put some chicken grease on that thing, baby. Out of here.